Okay, hello guys, welcome back. Today I am going to go over my July 2021 weather forecast. I am expecting some hot conditions somewhere in this country and rather depressing conditions in some other part of the country, which you will find out as we head into this video. Now, before you get started, I would like to make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, like my videos, and of course, if you enjoy my weather content, make sure to do those things and hit the notification bell for post notifications as you subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna get started here. This is my temperature outlook for the July. As you can see, there are below normal temperatures across parts of the south and as well as southeast and even the parts of the Ohio Valley, with cities such as Kansas City and even St. Louis are on the borderline, and places like Oklahoma City are expected to see rather below normal conditions. In areas like Dallas, Nashville, as well as Birmingham, you'll expect some slightly cooler conditions. And we expect well above normal temperatures across the Pacific Northwest, where we saw that deadly and record-breaking heat wave lately. And it even set a record high temperature for Canada in the past few days. But then, you know what happened, wildfire and stuff. Across the Great Lakes and the Northeast, I expect just general above normal temperatures, and then also parts of the Midwest, Mid-Atlantic, Florida Peninsula, and also parts of the Southwest. I expect slightly above normal temperatures, including the state of Maine. And then I'm going to go to our precipitation forecast. There are some. This is basically kind of divided between northern half, southern half. Northern half, drier conditions expected. Southern half, wetter conditions expected. With the wettest conditions expected in the southeast, near the Gulf Coast, and a little bit ahead of it. And then the driest conditions expected to be in Montana and western North Dakota, with slightly dry conditions across the northern half, which includes the northern tier, Washington State, Oregon, Idaho, parts of Wyoming, parts of Montana if you're not in this region, South Dakota, far northern Nebraska, rest of North Dakota, Minnesota, northern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, and much of Michigan. And then the wetter conditions are places like Arizona, New Mexico. That'll be the monsoon that we're going to about to see, and we have been starting to see, as there has been some flash flood warnings lately, and even a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings, like over here somewhere. Yeah. And then I also see states like southern Colorado, far southern Colorado, far southeastern Utah, southern Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and all that southern states, and even to the mid-Atlantic. And I'm going to go over our overall forecast. More heat waves, unfortunately, for the Northwest. Little relief. I mean, it could be a break, but I mean, especially in the later on in July. But I think early July is going to be bombarded by heat. There will be heat waves in the Southwest, but they won't be as intense as the ones in the Northwest. Even though I'd say the typically hot locations will probably see triple-digit heat as expected. And then in the Southwest, no, not Southwest, but kind of in the borderline of Southwest, South Central, there will be a monsoon, as we've been seeing and will continue to see for the next several days. And then bone dry across parts of the northwestern U.S., north central U.S., and also the northern plains. I do expect some rather dry conditions, but also some precipitation and warm conditions across most of this region, especially where we mentioned the below normal precipitation. And then rather average weather across central part of the country. And then I'd say because of the wet and cool conditions in the southeast, I'm going to call it rather depressing. In the Midwest and Great Lakes, it will be rather dry, could be also mild, especially in the Great Lakes and Midwest, with the lower Ohio Valley just highlighted in either that or possibly near normal temperatures. And also could be slightly above normal precipitation, as the map showed. And then we have a mild, and there will be possibly some storms in the mid-Atlantic Northeast. My map indicated warm conditions and mild conditions across the region, and also snow and low precipitation. So I do expect some storms here too, because I don't see much that blocks that ability to develop storms in this region at some point. And then the tropical threat is really ramping up in the Atlantic, so we have that highlighted across much of the Gulf and East coasts, and we anticipate that as Hurricane Elsa will most likely hit Florida, but it will probably be like a strong tropical storm, and it may brush the East Coast up to the Carolinas, and it'll, before it starts to weaken, maybe even go inland for a bit. So yeah, we're gonna also give you updates on that. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to subscribe once again and share this with family and friends. Keep them safe, especially from the Hurricane Elsa. That's out in the Caribbean. Well, yeah, it's going to cross into the Eastern Caribbean, but it's going to make U.S. impacts in places like Florida and these coasts, as I mentioned before. And enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.